We are on a kayak camping trip along the Everglades Wilderness Waterway, a 100-mile trip through the creeks, rivers, bays, and mangrove islands within Everglades National Park. This is the second video in the series, which chronicles day 2. For day 2, we have almost 11 miles ahead of us, cruising up Joe River, across Mud Bay, and then across Oyster Bay to the Oyster Bay Chickee. We take a break about halfway and have lunch at the Joe River Chickee. At 8:45, we are leaving the South Joe River Chickee. Had a great night. I mean, the wind was kicking when we got here. Once the sun set, just a steady calm. The wind died down. The water out here was like glass. We had a really good moon. And listened to the fish jumping all night long. Just a fantastic night. So we're on our way now to Oyster Bay Chickee. And along the way, we should be passing the Joe River Chickee. It's about 6.5 miles to Joe River Chickee, another 4.2 miles to Oyster Bay. We may stop off at Joe River just to stretch our legs a little bit. But again, just a fantastic night. It's beautiful out here. The moon was nice and bright. It's just one of those nights that you just always hope for. So we were off and running, and no wind today, so we'll see how it goes. Certainly a lot less wind today. There's a slight breeze behind us, but we've also got the tide with us. So we're actually making pretty good time. But this is the view of the Joe River. Well, we left our chickee this morning at about 8:45. It is now 10:45. And we are at the Joe River Chickee. So we're just gonna hop out here, maybe have a bite to eat, stretch our legs a little bit, and then we'll get back on the trail. Making good time. The Garmin says we're averaging about 3 miles per hour. And we're not really pushing it, we're just kind of coasting, but we've had some pretty good wind and tides helping us along. Okay, I'll show you what we have for lunch. Made these up for every day. So I have a tortilla, and I have a packet of tuna, a packet of pickle relish, and I have a packet of mayonnaise. So I'll wrap it up and have a feast. All right, so how's lunch?
Excellent. Delicious. So good. Love the tuna fish wraps. Easy to fix.
And easy to clean up.
Easy to clean up.
We just passed this guy in the canoe over there. He's actually got a small gas motor on it. He's loaded down. He said he's been out here for 10 days, working his way back. He said he's just out here relaxing and camping. He's not even fishing. Just came out of the Joe River Chickee. And we were in a much more narrow area of Joe River. You can see here it really opens up again. And but we're getting across this, and I think it narrows up again. We enjoy being amongst the mangroves. It's very pretty in there. We've had some great weather, very fortunate. As you can see on the other two Hobies, they've got the sunshades. Really nice for just keeping the sun off in the hottest part of the day. And they can go down a little bit further, be right up against your head. They can go up a little bit, provide some more airflow. Pretty good design. So they've been pretty happy with them. It's not been too hot for me, so I haven't had to break out my sunbrella much. Broke out a little bit yesterday, maybe for 45 minutes in the hottest part of the day. So every now and then we just kind of pause. Nice thing about these Hobie Lynx kayaks is that they're pretty stable. So I actually just stand up, stretch my legs a little bit, and just for 30 or 45 seconds, just to change it up a little bit. Pretty easy to do. Makes a difference. We've actually turned into the wind because the waves were hitting us broadside, and we just didn't want to take a chance of being tipped over. I wasn't too worried about it, but better safe than sorry. So we're going to zigzag a little bit, go into these little waves. We'll get behind the mangroves in front of us. Once we get the wind break, then we'll turn left again and head up to Oyster Bay Chickee. Oyster Bay Chickee, right up against the mangroves. Got a pretty good breeze coming in, so the bugs should be not a problem. There it is. You can see it. The sign says Oyster Bay.